Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a simple game in Thunkable. First, open Thunkable and create a new project, choosing a blank canvas. This gives you a clean slate to begin your creative process. Next, drag and drop components like a button and a label onto your screen. These will be the main interactive elements for your game, allowing players to engage directly with your creation and see immediate feedback. Now, let's dive into the blocks editor, where the magic happens. Here, you will define the rules of your game. For instance, program your button so that when it is clicked, the label's text changes. You can also introduce a variable to keep track of the game's current state, perhaps counting clicks or turns. This is where your game truly comes to life with interactive responses. To make your game more engaging, add conditional logic. This allows you to define specific conditions for winning or losing, providing clear objectives for players. Consider incorporating sound effects to give immediate audio feedback for actions, enhancing the user experience. Finally, implement a reset button. This crucial feature lets players easily restart the game, encouraging repeated play and enjoyment of your creation. With your game built, it is time to test it thoroughly. Use the Thunkable Live Test feature on a mobile device or directly in your web browser to ensure everything works as intended. If you encounter any bugs, use the debugging tools to fix them. Once satisfied, share your completed game with friends and family. They can play and enjoy the interactive experience you have created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.